movement joints are required in stretches of fibre cement sheeting on buildings over 45 metres in length to accommodate thermal and other movements. Where the movement joint is to be formed, each sheet is cut through the valley at the centre of the sheet and the resulting pair of half sheets, spaced 25 to 30 mm apart, and fixed as usual. Ridge pieces should be cut and spaced the same distance as the sheets to continue the opening over the building. The movement joint should be laid with the top end butting up to the bottom edge of the next sheet upslope, allowing a minimum 150 mm lap. The movement joint pieces are fixed to the purlins using the same method of fixing as the roof sheets, with one fixing in the centre of the movement joint at each purlin run. This fixing should pass through the gap between the two half sheets and must not be over-tightened. The movement joint cap, being longer than the ridge piece, will then correctly overlap the straight movement joint and again should be fixed into the purlin through the gap between the two halves of the ridge. Continue sheeting as normal to the end of the building or until another movement joint is required.